What's up, guys? Isaac Benalil. Welcome to Jersey Collision.
Gabriel Adamson, welcome. Come on in.
Welcome to Jersey Collision.
How do you like working at Jersey Collision?
Love it.
What do you love about it?
Everything.
Best bosses I've had in a very
Really?
long time. Yeah, love them. The
Yeah.
passion, man, they're fantastic people to work with.
How you enjoying Jersey Collision?
Love it. It's a great shop.
Yeah?
Yeah, great owners.
How long you been working here for?
Here.
What do you think the key to success in this place is? What they do?
They have a relationship with their employees.
Yeah? They treat you well?
Very well. Take care of everybody that's here.
And what about the customers?
Too much. They take care of them too much.
Yeah? How long you been in the industry for? What stands out about here, Jersey Collision, about other places?
Smaller shop. I like that we're all.
They give attention to detail. The family.
Every single customer is a WhatsApp chat. Isaac, the office, and a customer. So we're involved in every single thing. Every single thing from beginning to end. If you have a problem, we take care of it.
You're not one in a million.
You're one of our family.
I know these guys are great to work for. Awesome guys, great place, good company.
You've been working for 30 years in this industry. I don't
Be
know.
the best place that I've worked at so far.
Is that true?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
No, these guys get it about as good as it gets.
What do you got to say? What do you got to say about Jersey Collision? Hit us.
Good shop, definitely trustworthy. Definitely a place I'll bring my car to.
Yeah, what do you? Come on.
Don't come to us, we come to you.
Brandon, unbelievable, the concierge. Basically, if somebody's car is towed into the shop and they said, yeah, we emptied it out, we took everything out, but everyone always forgets their Easy Pass, their garage door openers. What else do they forget?
Usually sometimes at lunch.
For lunch, you'll go drop it up. You'll go take the
Anything left in the car, we bring it right back to your house. And that's number one. Number two, if a car's totaled, we just say, hey Brandon, car's totaled. What does Brandon do?
Move around all the cars so the tow truck can just easily pick that up and just get it out of here.
These guys are cool guys. Everybody loves coming here.
Well, I write basically every estimate that comes through the door, handle ordering all the parts, coordinating the repairs, sublets, stuff like that.
These guys treat you well.
They treat me very well here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They're good people, actually.
they are. They're very great people. It's the honesty, the communication from the drop-off to the time of pickup it's key. Especially the investment into the knowledge and the training, iCar. You know, that's the industry standard.
Jersey Collision is a full-service body shop. We take care of everything from beginning to end. From the moment you get into an accident, we will drop off a car in your driveway, a rental car in your driveway. We will pick up your car and bring it to the shop. We will get the police report from you, from whichever police department it happened. We will go after the other insurance company that hit you and make sure that they pay for the entire thing. We will fight for you. We will make sure that the entire process is transparent and honest from beginning to end. We keep you updated. Your car comes in, we let you know. We filed the claim. The claim is pending. Liability's been accepted. The car is being repaired. The parts have been ordered. You get updates throughout the entire process. We pick up your car, we drop off your car, and done.
Guys, look at me. I don't do this often, but for Jersey Collision, I'm stepping in here and I'm jumping into this video because I want to say one thing, okay? It's very simple like this. These guys are uneven, they don't want to say it, but these are the most honest people that you will ever deal with. When dealing with a mechanic, that is, unfortunately, something that comes up. These guys are the most honest. I just went through the entire shop. I saw customers walking in. I saw every employee. The smiles that happen. Number one thing they all said is they treat us with respect and they're the most honest, straight people. And that's what service you will get. Getting into an accident is stressful enough. Fixing the car is stress-free with Jersey Collision. I'll be a sponsor. We love you.
We love you too, man. Focus on service, driven by honesty.
Jersey Collision. One stop, does it all.
When you're getting into your vehicle or getting out of your vehicle, there's one thing you always got to remember. Check the back seat.